Hey everybody, my name is Alok Gupta. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule and publish your videos directly across all your social media platforms right from AutoReel. First, let's go ahead and jump into our social media manager dashboard on the bottom left. Over here, you'll see your dashboard. On the top, you'll see any social media accounts you're connected to, and on the bottom, you'll see posts that you have either scheduled, posted, or failed. This is your hub for all of your content that's going live on social media. Let's go ahead and connect our accounts here. Here, you can connect all of your social accounts. For right now, we have just Facebook and Instagram, but of course, we'll expand this in the near future. Now, Facebook has two key requirements that they require. This is not mandated by AutoReel, but something that Facebook does for security and privacy reasons. First, when you're connecting your Instagram account, it must be a creator account or a business account. This is completely free. There's instructions over here on how to do so, and we will link it in our guidebook as well. Basically, Facebook doesn't want businesses connecting to personal pages, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram, so this just allows you to give the thumbs up that this is okay. Second, this applies on Facebook as well. So rather than posting on your personal timeline, they don't allow that. You can post on a page, any page that you have admin access to publish to. Now this can be your business page for your real estate brokerage, your page for your marketing agency, your media agency, but it's a page that you own and manage and have the rights to publish to. Now, once you've made sure that those requirements are cleared and done, we can go ahead and connect our accounts. First, I'm going to go ahead and connect my Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and connect directly to Instagram. And since I'm already signed in at Instagram.com, it's just a matter of giving it the thumbs up. Now, I'm successfully connected to the AutoReel Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and do the same with Facebook. And again, I have to select which Facebook pages I want to authorize the publishing to, because that's what Facebook allows us to publish to. Let's click Connect, Continue. And now I can choose which pages I'm authorized to publish on and which one I specifically want to publish these videos on. In this case, I'm going to select my AutoReel page. Perfect. We're connected. Now this is done. I'm going to go back to AutoReel and we're going to start publishing content on social media. You'll see the status light is green for both my Instagram and my Facebook pages. Let's select a video that we want to publish. I'm going to go to this video here. And now that I want to share this directly to social media, I won't need to download it, copy a link. I'll simply click share and click post on socials. I can select which social media pages I want to post it on, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or both, and then I can put in my social media caption right here as well. Now, AutoReel is an AI platform, so of course we're going to help do the heavy lifting with generating your caption, and boom, just like that, we've got our great caption ready to go. This is a good starting caption. Of course, I can modify and make it my own. For the purpose of this demo, this is good enough. I can schedule this post to go out now, or I can decide to post later. Maybe my listing goes live on Monday, so I'm going to schedule this one to go on Monday right at noon. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule it. So now it takes us back to the social media management dashboard, and you can see that this post is ready to go live, both on Facebook and Instagram, and you'll be able to track the state of this. Now, what we can do is also publish a video directly to our social media right now, just to show what that looks like. So I'm going to click on this listing, which is already ready to go live. It's a coming soon preview. So I want to post it on socials, start getting some initial traffic. I'll click post on socials, quickly generate a caption here, and I'll go ahead and hit post now. Perfect. You'll see these are also scheduled, but these are scheduled to go out right here. So in the next 30 seconds to a minute, you'll see this go live, and we'll see what it looks like on social media in just a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. I can simply click on this arrow here, and it's going to take me to the post right on Facebook. And there we go. The video is now live. All right, and now the video is live on Instagram as well. You can see it's posted over here. I can click on the arrow, and here's our page with the video published and ready to go. There it is. It looks great. We've already got a like on it too, which is super cool. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. This is social media scheduling and publishing built into AutoReel. Now you just upload photos, stage them, create these beautiful videos, and send it out into the world across social media channels to start getting leads and building your business. Thanks so much for being with AutoReel. I'll see you next time.